Hi everyone, this is Bhavya and welcome back to my channel. I will be doing this bold blue eyes and nude pink lips makeup today. This was a requested video, and if you would like me to do any other requested videos, then please drop down your requests in the description box below. So let's get started, and please ignore the mess behind. First, I'm going to prime my face with Miss Claire Primer. And then I will be mixing 2 drops of Euphoria Girl Foundation with a drop of Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and apply it all over my face and neck with the help of brush. To make my foundation look more skin-like, I will be spritzing Colorbar mist on my damp beauty blender and bounce it all over my face and neck. For concealer, I will be using Miss Claire Concealer in the shade Beige. This is one highly recommended concealer by me. And for setting my base, I will be using L'Oreal Matte Magique All-in-One Pressed Powder. For eyebrows, I will be using my current favorite NICKA Brow Chika Wow Eyebrow Pencil. I will then take NICKA Case 23 Perfect Eyeshadow Palette and take these 2 shades and blend it over my crease line. I will then go ahead with my Makeup Revolution's 2016 eyeshadow palette and take this blue shade and apply it all over my lid. I will then take a fluffy brush and soften the edges of my eyeshadow so that my eyeshadow looks clean, nice and blended. And then to intensify the color more, I'm going to retouch it with a flat lid brush. I'm then going to take a darker shade on a pointed brush and apply it on the lower lash line, that is half of my lash line. And then I'm going to take this icy blue highlighted shade and apply it on the inner corners of my eyes, extending all the way to meet the darker blue shade. And then I'm going to quickly apply mascara on my upper as well as lower eyelashes. And then I will sculpt my face with L'Oreal Paris Glam Bronze Duo. I must say that this shade completely suits me. I have never found this perfect shade for myself for bronzing. Once I'm done with contouring, I'm going to apply blush and then I will go ahead with the highlighter. I'm going to apply same highlighter on my brow bone as well. For lips, I will be using Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in Primrose. This shade was gifted to me, so I really don't know the price. And then I'm going to complete the look with false eyelash. So guys, this is the finished and the complete look. I really love the way how it has turned out. I hope you like it too. If you like it, then please do subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I'm gonna see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye!